Joining a private server on Roblox is easy, whether you're playing alone or with friends or invited by someone else. Private servers give you a dedicated space to play without random players, and in this guide, you'll learn the different ways to join a private Roblox server using a link through the game page or by accepting an invite. So, first of all, you need to go to the official Roblox website, log into your account, and maybe a friend wants you to join their server or someone needs to add you to theirs. And here's how it works. Now, in the top right corner, tap on the gear icon. From the drop down menu, go to Settings. On the left, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, find who can join me in private servers, or go to Visibility and Private Servers option. Go to Private Servers and make sure that it is set to everyone. Then now the person who owns the private server needs to either allow friends to join or add you to their server. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and open the game associated with the private server. For example, let's go to Dress to Impress. Now scroll all the way down, go to servers, and you should see the server you were added to. Then click on join to enter the server. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.